Imagine hitting the open road in a cozy RV, with nothing but adventure awaiting you. It sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, for many full-time RVers, there is a common mistake that can turn that dream into a nightmare. One of the biggest blunders that full-time RVers make is not having a solid budget in place. When you're out on the road, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of exploring new places and trying new things. However, without a clear understanding of your finances, you could quickly find yourself in hot water. Many full-time RVers underestimate the costs associated with life on the road. From fuel and campground fees to maintenance and repairs, the bills can add up fast. Without a budget to keep track of your spending, you may find yourself overspending and ultimately running out of money sooner than you planned. So, what can you do to avoid this common mistake? Start by creating a detailed budget that outlines all of your expected expenses while on the road. Factor in costs for fuel, food, campgrounds, maintenance, insurance, and any other expenses that you anticipate. Be sure to also set aside some extra money for unexpected emergencies. Once you have your budget in place, make a commitment to stick to it. Keep track of your spending and adjust your budget as needed to stay on track.